Set up an orthopedic surgeon practice. An orthopedic surgeon is a physician that treats conditions involving the musculoskeletal system. You will be surprised on how many people pay a visit to an orthopedic surgeon due to injuries from sports, vehicular accidents, and even knee replacements for old people. As in any physician, right after an orthopedic surgeon gets a license, he will need to have an office where his patients can visit him for consultation. If you are an orthopedic surgeon, starting up an office for your practice is essential. Read the tips below to know how you can set one up. Get a certification. Even after taking up and completing your degree, a certification from the American Board of Orthopedic Surgery is needed to practice what you have learned. You can take the examination in your state after you have rendered your residency. Have a specialization. Being an orthopedic surgeon is a specialization in terms of surgery, but have you decided whether or not to focus your study and practice on a specific body part or address a special condition? Being a general orthopedic surgeon will enable a more diverse group of people with different conditions approach you for treatment, but you can filter your target patients and focus on one area or condition that you find most interesting. For instance, you can specialize on foot and leg injuries. This should not limit the people who will approach you, as you can still do general orthopedic surgeries anyway. Identify where your office should be. Your specialization, target patients, and rate will play a big role in deciding where you will establish your office. But as you are still on your way to practicing, it is best to start in your neighborhood. Look for a location near your area to save some travel time on your way to the office from home every day. In case of emergencies, it will also be easier for you to reach your patients, as they will most probably be within the same area as your house. The space in the office that you will get should just be right for your needs. Getting a really big one will not be practical for a start-up office, but make sure it is big enough to house all of the equipments you need. Have all the equipments needed. For a successful practice, you need to have all of the necessary tools and equipments in your office. Have the X-ray and consultation rooms constructed and the X-ray installed properly. Also shop for furniture and surgical instruments. Make a list of all the things you need and bring it with you as you shop to make sure you do not forget anything. Get the necessary permit. You will have to acquire the necessary permits from the City Hall before you can open your office. Hire your staff. It will not be possible to run your office alone. For the surgery itself, You will need to have certified orthopedic nurses assist you. Apart from them, you will need to have a technician that can conduct tests and labs such as X-ray on patients. Also, a receptionist with proper knowledge of orthopedic surgery will be needed to assist your patients and record their information. Setting up an orthopedic surgeon office is no easy feat, but the tips above should help you get started.